Hey, welcome to Bear Mountain today. Today we are harvesting our green onion seed. We planted the things last summer, they overwintered, and then this spring they set up seed stocks. And today's July 2nd, and so what we're doing today is we're just kind of winnowing out the chaff out of the seed. And we've got a lot to harvest here. Doing this outside, if you had a fan you could probably make it go a little faster.
Very low tech.
Very low tech.
Some people knit, some people
So this is our first grouping. There's quite a bit of chaff still in it, but we'll just keep kind of winnowing it out. Eventually I'll run it through a screen and get most of the other oversized, heavier stuff out, but this is only, maybe even a tenth of what we grew here. So we're gonna have a lot of onion seed.
This is green onions.
This is all, yeah, spring onions. Okay, we're raising more seed this year for ourselves, basically because they're varieties we like, and these things are not, we're going after the ones that aren't hybrids. So they should stay true to what they are. We're starting with the easy stuff, onions, spinach, things like that. It's just a way of being more resilient here on the farm, and it's kind of fun to do. It's a nice hobby, and it's really kind of cool to get a whole big pile of seed in your hand going, wow, this could be worth a lot of money.
Hey, could you explain over your shoulder what's happened in your lettuce?
Oh, it's a bad thing. We had foxes last night. Actually 2 nights in a row. At first we didn't know it was foxes. We thought it might have been rabbit, so we put some netting out. We didn't anchor it down, but we just figured it'd be good enough to keep the rabbits out. But it turned out it was foxes. They dug their way in under the net and they just demolished the lettuce. As well as over here on our other side, we had a bed of our rutabagas, or Swedes, as they like to say in Europe, that we have protected for just getting started. Well, they were playing King of the Hill on it or something, but there's paw prints all over it and there's holes punched in it, and so we had to replace that. So yeah, our lettuce, we've only got a couple of plants left over here, and they hit all the lettuce plants in front of our tomatoes, so looks like we're going to be out of salad fixings for a few weeks. Yeah.
Good thing they don't like cabbage.
No, they didn't go after the cabbages yet.
Yet.
So yeah, we're going to have to do something about those little guys. Better protection around the plants and take care of it. Anyway, just wanted to give you an update here on the 2nd of July of one of the things we're doing in the garden. So have a good day and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.